Ever wanted to play the guitar but didn't know where to start? It's a common dilemma. The strings, the frets, the chords, it can all seem a bit overwhelming, but don't fret. Yes, pun intended. Today we're breaking down the process of learning to play the guitar into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you've got to get your hands on a guitar. Acoustic, electric, it doesn't matter. What's important is that it feels comfortable in your hands. Next, familiarize yourself with the guitar. Explore the strings, the frets, the sound hole, and the headstock. Each part plays a crucial role in producing the melodious sounds that guitars are known for. Now onto the strings. From the thickest to the thinnest, they're named E, A, D, G, B, E. Yes, that's right, the first and last are both E. A simple acronym to remember this is, every amateur does get better eventually. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to dive into chords. Start with the basics, the major chords. They're the heart of countless songs. A, C, D, E, and G. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly. After you've got a handle on major chords, you can experiment with minor chords and others. But remember, practice makes perfect. Consistency is key. And speaking of keys, understanding musical keys can unlock a whole new world of guitar playing. Essentially, a key tells you what notes and chords will sound good together. It's a bit like a roadmap for your music. But what's music without rhythm? Strumming patterns are the rhythm of guitar music. They can be as simple or as complex as you like, but for beginners, starting with a basic down, up pattern can work wonders. Now onto the grand finale, playing your first song. Choose something simple, something you love, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, every great guitarist started somewhere. To summarize, start with the basics. Understand your guitar, learn the strings, practice the chords, understand the keys, master the rhythm, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because at the end of the day, music is all about expressing yourself and enjoying the journey. So go on, pick up that guitar and make some magic. Your musical journey awaits.